got a message name like this. Let me show you a proper way to turn it around with Excel 3 function. Okay, first of all, let use uppercase. Okay, so uppercase, it turn all the name into upper. So just type upper and then put it here. So boom, you got it, right? It all in uppercase. But sometimes you want all the lowercase. So we use lower function. Okay, lower function equal lower. Sorry, lower. Go to take here. Boom. But most of the time you want only first capital letter like John, and with J that's capital letter, and S with capital letter, and the rest is small. So we use another case we call proper case. So just type proper. Proper case is just like sentence case in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is what everyone looking for. I believe so. Okay, let me know which formula that you prefer to turn your text around, because sometimes many user input and then you want to print it on certificate or something. You may need upper or proper to turn it around. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.